Hello and welcome. This is an introduction to computer system and interconnection. Well, what are the learning outcomes? It is to describe the concept of interconnection within a computer system, interconnection structures, and also to describe the concept of cache memory. Let's see the concept of interconnection within a computer system. Well, first of all, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine that accepts information, processes it according to specific instructions, and provides the results as new information. And let's see the interconnection structures within a computer system. This is a diagram that shows major operations of computer system. And there are 5 major operations of computer system. That includes input, processing, output, storage, and control. This is the diagram that shows basic organization of computer system, which involves basic architecture of a computer. And this here shows the von Neumann model of digital computer. The von Neumann model consists of 5 components, which is the input unit provides the instruction and data to system and subsequently stored in the memory unit. The instruction and data are processed by the arithmetic and logic unit ALU under the direction of the control unit, and the results are sent to the output unit. Von Neumann model consists of 5 units, which are input unit, ALU unit, control unit, memory unit, and output unit, and each has its own purposes. And this is a diagram that shows top-level structure. There are 3 basic computer functional units that control the operation of a computer, which are arithmetic and logic unit ALU, control unit CU, and central processing unit CPU. What is bus interconnection in interconnection structures? Let's see. In computer architecture, a bus is a subsystem that transfers data between components inside a computer or between computers. And there are 2, which are internal bus, known as system bus, and external bus, known as expansion bus. In system bus, known as internal bus, a communication pathway connecting major computer components are such as CPU, memory, and I/O unit. And the diagram below shows the pathway. What is database? Data line. A data bus simply carries data and used to transfer data or instructions from one component to another. Meanwhile, address bus identifies where the information is being sent and used to transfer the destination address of data that is inside the data bus. What about control bus? It describes aspects of how the information is being sent and in what manner, and used to transfer signals that control data and address in data bus and address bus. Let's see the concept of cache memory and the types of cache memory. Cache memory is temporarily stores data information and programs that are commonly used by CPU. When data is required, the CPU will automatically turn to cache memory in search of faster data access. And this diagram here shows the CPU, cache memory, and main memory. And these are the types of cache memory, which consist level 1, level 2, and level 3. Well, what is level 1 cache? It is the primary cache and it operates at the same speed as CPU, and it is the fastest cache among all the other caches and smaller than other caches too, which are L2 and L3, and each core in CPU has their own L1 cache memory. Isn't it special? And what about level 2 cache? It stores data that is not stored in L1 cache, and if CPU cannot find the data that it is looking for in L1 cache, it checks in L2 cache. And L2 cache is larger than L1 cache but smaller than L3, and each code in CPU has their own L2 cache memory. The differences? Well, the diagram here shows the difference between L1, L2, and L3, and the differences aren't that hard. That is all we offer you in this video. Thank you from College Community Kemaman.